I think Lisa Marriott will be coming up here. And she's our current best friend, and she's going to express some of her thoughts.
Yeah. The first thing that I could tell, how I met Leonie, right? I was just new in this, in the United States here in New York, and I was working at AIG, and I always see them taking the train, the J train. I was so scared the first time I took that train because it's full of graffiti. But then I go, oh, these are Filipinas, you know. You are excited pag may makita kang Pilipino kamukha mo. Ay, sabi ko, Pilipina to. Kinausap ko, alam niyo naman, may pagkadaldal ako. Makwento. Which is too much. I have only 1 minute pala dito. So, kinausap ko siya kasi ako yung tao mong hindi mag-give up. Pag hindi nila ako, hindi nag-smile ako, hindi sila nag-smile. I'll try my best 5 times. After that, sabi ko, that's it. Pero very, naman sila, approachable. Yun, nagkwentuhan kami, until sabi niya, may anak nga siya, 2 lalaki. Sabi niya, malalaki sila. Naku, pag nag-drink, ang lalakas nilang mag-drink, ang lalaki ng mga baso nila. Ang gaan-gaan ng loob ko sa kanya, gano'n. So, basta kita ko si Mark at saka si Jose, when they were really very young, so they're like really my nephews. So, Leonie is like a sister to me. Sometimes, probably, naiinis siya sa akin kumisan pag may sinasabi ako. Pero, I have a shoulder to cry on. That's how good she is. And when I am sick, Fred and their family, they are always there for us, and Arthur. And when I was, just recently, I just had a brain surgery, and I was crying. And I said, if I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm not going to open anymore, will you take care of my husband? And then I said, please say yes, Fred. And I was crying, and I was there in the emergency. And she was crying too. That's how close we are. She's really very, very, I don't want to cry now because it's her birthday, but I love them so much. Not only Leonie, but the whole family, the cousins and everything. So I'm their adopted sister. And Arthur is the in-law. But this really is very, very good. Very loving. If you need anything from her, especially the food, oh my God, she will really, if I said, oh, I don't have anything, my time is up, I know. I love you and happy birthday! Gusto na niya ako tapukin eh. Kanina. Mamaya kakasama ko siya para maalis yung galit niya. Broadway ka na pero there is no Broadway. Paikot-ikot only dito sa